السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته شباب. انا ان شاء الله تكونوا بخير. طبعا رجعتكم في جديد فيديو اسطوري. طبعا يا شباب في جينا اليوم الجزء الثاني من تختيم لعبة جي تي اي سان اندريس. طبعا جانا اتصال. طبعا يا شباب اول شيء صلوا على النبي، ثاني شيء لا تنسوا الدعاء لاخواننا فلسطين. اوه هذا هرنانديز يهدد سي جي تقريبا. نعم يلا يلا ابلع. يلا نروح السويت.
What's up, y'all? What's up, CJ? What's crack? Man, all they care about is smoking and money. You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet. Marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to beat business. Yeah, but they down with us, man. All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the bars are sweating the home. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you're right. You and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing. You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen beat up?
Nah. But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
They beat up is only a couple of blocks away.
تمام. طبعا يا شباب لو في ضايقت كم طبعا او مغطي عليكم اخبروني وانا اشيلها باذن الله. الله.
One of the families ain't up on.
Apart from smoke, sweet, and you know you was true. Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blow.
For sure. Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know what store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this is right here.
Open up. You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this is.
Open up.
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want?
لا تسب يا كلب، لا
Hold up,
تسب.
man. What happened to for life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear. Big Bear, that's you?
اوه شيت شباب، انه يعاني من
Big Bear give a fuck about his smoking and keep my house
تعرفون يا
clean.
شباب.
Ain't that right, Big Bear? Hell yeah. Hell yeah what? Hell yeah, sir. Go make that motherfucking toilet spark. No, man.
Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around. Stay the fuck from around here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
It's just fucking
شت اللي الجلتشات.
Now, man, Crack can do that to Big Bear and turn him into a bass slave. The average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in the city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
يلا اركب يا رايدر، اركب يا كلب اركب. يلا
Hey, check it out. Somebody selling to one of the homies.
اوكي. تعال يا كلب، تعال
Hey,
انت
Bob, I'm working, man. What you
تجرى.
need? What you need, dog? Keep up. Dog, I got
ابلع
quad
يا
for
كلب،
CJ,
يا
bitch.
كلب ابلع يا كلب.
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
ابلع.
Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
سيجي الكفو. يلا ابتعد يا كلب، ابتعد، ابتعد من السيارة.
Spooky, punk.
يلا يا رايدر، يا غبي، يا غبي يا رايدر، اقسم بالله انه غبي. يلا
Man, we on a serious mission now.
Man, don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood. Wee. Damn, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
اوكي يلا بينا.
on, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
اوه شيت.
Fuck them Grove Street fools. Grove Street
تبا
going
لك،
down.
لا تسوق
Look
لي.
at these motherfuckers. Ain't no time to clown, huh?
لا 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 يلا 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 يلا. بسرعة 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 بسرعة. لا 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 لا. رايدر، لا رايدر النجد. ابلع ابلع. رايدر هو الذي يريد النجدة. ابلع ابلع ابلع. تعال هنا، تعال هنا. يلا ابلع ابلع. يلا ابلع انت. ابلع 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 يا كلب ابلع. تعال تعال ابلع 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 ابلع. في شخص هنا؟ لا لا يوجد شخص هنا. يلا
Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
يلا يلا اركب يا رايدر يا كلب اركب.
For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't run out
تعال
on
يا بولس يا
time to
كلب.
change.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
And I'll warn the gang later. But now, let's just bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker.
اوه مسدس. بالشرطي انا اريد ان
That's
اقتل
going in my
الثاني.
target for
Where you run now?
ابلع. يلا يلا. الحمد لله لم يراني الشرطي. انه شرطي غبي يا شباب. لم يرني. انه شرطي غبي اقسم بالله. يلا 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 يلا. طبعا يا شباب لا تنسوا اللايك والاشتراك. طبعا يا شباب اكيد لم تفعلوا اللايك والاشتراك ها اكيد.
Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
دم سي جي ناقص. اوكي فراح نسيف حتى يطلع الصباح ونمتلئ دم سي جي. طبعا اريد ان اغير قصة سي جي. دقيقة. الصراحة اريد
I'm a man of peace, baby.
$6 فقط يا شباب عشان
Oh, you real calm.
تمام. الحين يلا نروح نسوي قصة. أبدأ في سلسلة جي تي اي فاي سيتي. طبعا انا مفروض اني اسوي سلسلة جي تي اي 3 بعدها فاي سيتي بعدها سان اندريس. بس يلا مع ان اغلب محتوى قناة سان اندريس راح اسويها سان اندريس بعدها جي تي اي فاي سيتي بعدها 3. تمام.
Damn, Big Smoke, he needs a cut.
المهمة الثانية
What's happening with you, Ryder?
Respect has to be earned, sweet, just like money. So what you saying? You don't respect me? What I'm saying is, speak up, nigga. I'm hungry.
Man. Hey,
Man cannot live on bread alone. I know. I tried that shit. Carl, you look a little thin, man. You gotta be
طيب سكر معك، اقصد سكر وراك الباب.
tacos again? Hell no. Chicken, man.
للدرجة يا روكستار انت لا تهتم بالتفاصيل.
Carl, you trying to make me like you don't pass out.
يلا
How mom's getting killed? We gotta talk about it.
We all gotta talk about it. They was going for sweet. How you supposed to know that? You know what people are like. Say they have love for you, but won't say a word. Too damn scared. Some people say they saw a green saber doing the work, then speeding away. Yeah, but people like to talk, don't they? Anyway, that's half of Santos you talking about. Yeah, you right. My bad.
Hey, bruh.
They had sprayed the house. I ain't seen shit.
وات شيت. طبعا يا شباب سي جي سأل أصحابه قال كيف ماتت أمي، فرد عليه بيك سموك أو هو رايدر أو بيك سموك أصبح يماطل في سي جي. ورايدر قال أن بعض الناس رأوا الجرين سيبر، سيارة الجرين سيبر. رد بيك سموك طبعا يا شباب، رد بيك سموك قال الناس تقولون فقط. صراحة هذا أمر خطير جدا يا شباب، اللي فاهم قصة اللعبة بيعرف هالشيء إنه خطير، يدل على خيانة رايدر وبيك سموك. وات الشت يا بيك سموك، ما هذا الطلب الكبير؟ صراحة طلب كبير جدا.
Sorry, bro. You know I gotta know about mine.
No, CJ, I know. I'm just trying not to think about it, so. I mean, I didn't even know she was hit until it was all over.
Yeah, right. Let's eat.
اوه شت. وهذا المشهد خطير ايضا. سي جي قال لي سويت انا اسف لاني تركت العصابة وموت امنا. فقال بيك سموك يلا او يلا مثلا اجل طعام كذا عشان يقفل الموضوع او يغير الموضوع. صراحة تفاصيل دقيقة لكن لم نركز عليها في البداية. يلا انا شكرا من قريب. يلا يلا يا غبي ناغتل. او شت يلا تعال. أين أنت هارب مني؟ لن تستطيع الهروب مني. يلا شت. طبعا راح لدي أسلحة أنا أحتاجها. يلا أبلع. أين الثاني؟ أوكي هذا هو أبلع. شت شرطة وبالص. يلا
Yeah, man, those baller fools won't try that again. Carl, let's get back to the girl.
Alright, I'm on it. Oh, man. That fool filled a hole.
You chubby motherfucker. Next time you better start blast or I'm gonna blast you myself. Smoke you wide, man. I mean, wide.
And that's why you love me, baby.
بيك سموك أنت كلب كبير يا بيك سموك.
Thanks, homie. That's one up for the grove.
Say what, Smoke? All you managed to do was eat my damn food up.
Yeah, it was getting cold.
Y'all coming in for a beer?
Nah, baby. I need to get back to the crib. CJ, give me a ride? All right, Smoke, let's go. See y'all later.
اوه راح نوصل البيك سموك. اوكي.
What was with you back there, Smoke? Man, if you can eat your food while everybody else is losing theirs and blaming you, you straight, homie.
لا.
Nothing. Just some poetry I read. Hey, Smoke, tell me why you moved out the Grove. Man, got some money from my aunt. I mean, it's a nice place and all, but the Grove is in my heart, baby. It's where my dogs is at. Yeah, okay, homie.
اوكي.
Thanks, Carl. Hey, I miss having you around, baby. Thanks, man. I wish Sweet thought like that. He don't mean it, CJ. He's still real tore up about your moms, man. Here, get yourself a little smoky smoke on smoke and relax, homie.
اوه $200. يلا بنروح للسويت. صراحة ما ادري لماذا لم تأتينا اي مهام اخرى. طبعا يا شباب انا في اسئلة. او جاني اتصال من
Yeah.
Hey, CJ, it's Sweet.
Hey, what's up?
If you don't respect your
What?
body, ain't nobody gonna respect you. You too skinny, CJ. You need to pack on some muscle.
If I wanted nagging, I'd buy a clockwork wife.
Just looking out for you, homie. It's all show and respect, you know.
Yeah, I guess.
There's a gym I go to a couple blocks out from the Grove. Go check it out and get yourself a gangster physique.
I'll scope it out. Later, man.
اوه اوكي الجيم حسن. طبعا راح ناخذ الأسلحة. في هناك سلاح فوق منزل سي جي. لا لا لا
You
لا,
know what this is?
لا ما هو الذي فعله سي جي الغبي. وهناك أيضا شت يا شباب، إنه جلتش غريب صراحة لا يهم. يلا لقد أخذنا المسدس صراحة 41 رصاصة قليلة جدا. يلا يلا سي جي. اوكي اتوقع ان في سلاح مايكرو اوزي. يس صراحة انا افضل الاوزي على هذا السلاح تكنو تقريبا او تكن 8. يلا نروح لسويت. اين ذهبت يا سي جي يا غبي؟ يلا
Give me 15, motherfucker.
I'll write it down in a
اسمك
second.
يا
I
كلب
ain't
لا
no
تسب.
fat sucker. Let me play first.
Hey, what's up? What's up, man? Who winning?
Who you think, huh? Me. That does it. That's game null and void, motherfuckers.
So, what kind of guns we working with now?
One times came through raid the spot. We ain't got shit now.
Well, what you gonna do if the ballers roll through? Throw shoes at them? Say, what happened to Emmett?
Emmett? Shit, gangs these days got Max, AKs, and all kind of stuff. Emmett, on the other hand, ain't got shit.
Well, until we get that plug, we gotta deal with a cat that always been there for us.
Emmett Seville Boulevard families. We ain't too close these days, but nonetheless, I'll take you to see him. Get ourselves strapped up. Come on, man.
Nigga, shake 'em up again.
اوه راح نشتري الأسلحة من إيمت. لا يا سي جي انت غبي يا سي جي. يلا
What happened to the fam? Where the love at?
Shit happened. Seville wrongs Temple. Temple wrongs Grove.
Look where you
Bad
going.
blood needs the bad blood. If you read the book, that's the way of the world, baby.
Yeah, but you know you gotta keep it real.
I admire you, Carl. You're a leader, a visionary. Remember me when you get to the top.
Give it a rest, Smoke. You full of shit. Watch where you're going.
That's my man right there, you know what I'm saying?
اوه شت.
Who shot at me? What you kids want?
Hey, Pops. Hey, what's happening?
Aren't you Beverly Johnson's boy?
That's right.
Right. Say, ain't you dead?
No, Emmett. The other one, Carl.
I'm sorry about Beverly.
That's why we here, sir. We want to get the people who did it.
Well, you come to the right place. Try anything you like, boy.
Man, look at this old shit.
اوه اختبار الأسلحة.
Baller, fool.
اوكي سهل.
Oh, Beverly be so proud of you, boy.
يلا
Shit, I'm the best there ever was.
Yeah, Special Agent Big Smoke. Ah, you're making me so
يلا عدنا.
proud.
لست أنت الوحيد الذي تتقن استعمال السلاح يا بيك سموك. اوكي، خلينا نفجر السيارة. صراحة أين حسنا.
Damn, you're a killer, baby. Ice cold. But remember something. Real strength comes from within, my brother. Listen to the boy. Yeah, I guess Liberty didn't soften you none, huh? Hey, look, let's split. Hey, I see you round, Emmett. I'm 100% behind you, boys. But remember this. You didn't get them from me. And remember this. Emmett is the place for guns. I've always got high-quality merchandise, and I've been proudly serving the community for over 30 years. Crazy old fool. Hey, look, you drive, man. I seen Newer Candace and this strap in the museum. Where we going? Man, I'm real tired, dude. Drop me off at my crib, baby.
نوصل البيك سموك إلى بيته
What's going
حسنا.
on, man? Shit seem pretty fucked up. People have to open their eyes and their hearts, CJ. What are you talking about? I'm talking about the choices all men face, brother. Sometimes they seem real, but other times there's no choice at all. At least you still talking shit. You ain't changed a bit. Who, me? No, never.
يلا يلا يا سي جي. أخيرا لقد وصلنا.
Thanks, CJ. I see you around. Later, Smoke. Speed.
I thought you was representing.
What?
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought you was rolling with Grove Street again.
Already told you I am.
Well, I ain't seen your colors yet. You gotta fly the flag, man. Ain't nobody gonna respect you if you ain't representing your hood.
Alright, man. My bad. I just ain't got around to it yet.
There's a Beaco around the corner from the gym in Gatton. Go get yourself some greens.
أوكي. لازم أن نغير الملابس طبعا. يلا كم معنا 220 دولار. الصراحة ماذا أشتري؟ أنا لا أدري. البينكو، محل البينكو. يلا بلاك جرين هودي. ما رأيكم في اوتفيت سي جي يا شباب؟ ما رأيكم فيه؟ طبعا الحين بنروح للجيم. اتوقع مهمة او مهمتين لعبنا اليوم. لقد فتحنا مهام بيك سموك. نروح الجيب نلعب. يلا يا سي جي. صراحة بختار اعلى وزن عشان يبني عضل بسرعة. يلا ابلع بواحد. ابلع يا سي جي، ابلع. تمرن يا كلب، تمرن. صراحة امر صعب جدا. محسن العضلات، الجيم، او كيف يقولونها، مثلا انك تختار جسم اللاعب، مثلا تبيه معضل، تبيه نحيف، تبيه سمين. صراحة ما في ولا لعبة بعد جراند سان اندرياس طبقت هذه الفكرة. وهل يمكن ان تكون GTA 6 تستعمل هذا الشيء؟ لا ندري. طبعا يا شباب، الى هنا وصلنا لنهاية الفيديو. لا تنسوا اللايك والاشتراك وبس.